Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the theme of your Google Slides presentation from your device, that is your mobile phone, using the official Google Slides app. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and it is the same for iOS or Android device, so it doesn't matter what you have, and I'll guide you step by step on how to do it, so make sure you stick to the end of the video. Now let's get started with the video. First, open your Google Slides app and open the presentation where you want to change the theme of your presentation or the slides of your presentation. Once you have opened your presentation, simply click on it and you will find a pop-up saying edit slide. Click on it and here choose which slide you want to change your theme on, and simply click on the three dots on the left side of your screen, and in here you will see your option saying change theme. Click on it and after that simply click on any theme that you want. If you find any one of these attractive, simply click on it. For now I'll simply click this white one. As you can see, the theme of my pages have been changed instantly. As you can see, all my pages has been changed, and that's it guys. You can change your theme this easily on your Google Slide app from your mobile phone, whether it is Android or iOS, it doesn't really matter. It's the same for both of them. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below which topic do you want me to cover next. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.